Hello, welcome to the channel Harry Barrel. We are in video 20, how to change text direction in action. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here my data, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4 average and the name of the sales person. And here what I want to do is I want to just change the direction of these headings. So first of all, we will select the range and then we will go to the home tab, and then you can see in this alignment tab this A and B, and going the upper arrow orientation, just click the drop down list, and here you will see the six tab which you want to do. So you can see here first one is angle counterclockwise. If I do this will become the clockwise, so I will go to revert and do the same for angle clockwise. So how you want, you can change it vertical or horizontal, rotate like this or rotate text down, how you want. So in advance you can go to format cell alignment, and here also you can change it. So for now this is Q, it is -90. If I do here 0 and OK, this will be our normal format. So I'll go to the same home, this orientation, format cell alignment, and here I will choose to change the direction in 45 degree. I can go and change this clock, or directly from this degrees I can input here 45 degree and then OK. So now you can see here my text is changing the direction. So in this way you can change the direction as per you want. So simply go to home tab and then orientation of alignment and choose the vertical, rotate, text up, text down, or whatever you can as per your need. So this is a short tutorial which will help you to format the heading, titles, or any of the cells. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video number 21. Thank you.